Hi, I am proud to announce that we're having an internship logo contest for our DIY, which is do it yourself virtual self care program. Hi, my name is Lucy Porter, and I am the founder of Interactel Pro. Here at Interactel Pro, we take pride in giving back to the community by hiring university students of all level. And our internship program brings in health science students, kinesiologists, social media, video editors, web developers, database developers, and they also come from all around the world. So let's create a buzz around their amazing artwork because they really are excited and really motivated. So please give us your opinion. See, the logo which receives the most votes will become the new DIY logo. And I invite everyone you know to participate and support our students too, because after all, they are tomorrow's society and our future. All you have to do is check out all 8 logos. There's some graphic arts, and I want you to decide which one you like the most and keep track of the number that you find the most attractive logo for what we're talking about here today. Then you're going to go cast your vote by clicking on the cast your vote. I will also ask for your email so we can track which logos got the most votes. And once that's completed, we're going to send you an email to access our 30-day free trial for you to try for yourself. So you're going to get to enjoy the DIY program for a whole 30 days. Now, this DIY program, once you complete that, you're going to receive an email to access the 30-day free DIY self-care program. So you give it a try for yourself. This DIY program is going to be yours for 30 days, and we won't ask for your credit card info, so don't worry. This is truly a thank you gift from IHP for casting your vote. I also want you to share with your family, friends, coworkers, and loved ones too. Why not? So let's make a little bit of noise and let's share what the DIY virtual self-care program is all about. Now, this program was created to enable everyone to have access to an exercise program. These exercises were created by an occupational therapist covering 9 body parts. These are preset exercise programs to help you with one specific body part, promoting and supporting your physical well-being while mobilizing your joints, releasing the pressure, and relieving pain in one of those 9 body parts. So we have the neck, the upper back, the low back, your shoulders, your hands and wrists, your hips, legs, knees, and ankles, and feet. You're going to get to choose one body part to work on so you can relieve some pain, maybe decrease some inflammation, and definitely expand on your range of motion. And that normally also increases your performance. And that's what we call working towards positive recovery. Now, I felt compelled to help those who were living in pain because they couldn't access physio or rehab during the pandemic. And that's how we created the DIY program. Now that things are getting back to the new normal, quote, many people are still having a really hard time. Some realities are, they lost their job. They don't have a budget to afford treatment anymore because everything has gone up in price so much that they can't afford it. So I decided to make it possible for everyone to have access to a positive recovery. You don't need to live with the pain anymore. Start your 30-day free trial today. All you have to do is go choose a logo and share that information with us. And then we'll send you an email so you can get started on your 30-day free trial. Now, why do you want this? Well, imagine sleeping at night, spending quality time with your family and friends instead of hiding because you don't want to be a nuisance. You don't want people to feel sorry for you. or you just can't physically do it. Let's get you active again. At IHP, we support people who suffer from acute and chronic pain by providing resources, enabling a positive recovery, by promoting a better quality of life, which we want you to have access to. And if it's not for you, don't worry about it. You can share that with someone else who needs it. It's called the gift that keeps on giving. So first, make sure you go cast your vote and then go share with everyone. The contest announcement is going to be live in our Facebook group, Gain with the Pain Free group, on Thursday, May the 12th at 12 p.m. So I hope to see you there. You have a wonderful day and go have fun checking out those logos and deciding which one we should have as our DIY logo. Thank you for casting your vote. It means the world to our interns. And don't forget to share with everyone. I think it's so important that we support our beautiful interns. And also, I look forward to seeing you for the big announcement on May 12th at 12 noon inside the Gain with the Pain Free group. See you then.